Ciao a tutti, welcome to today's Italian lesson. In this video, you'll learn how to express age in Italian, how to ask how old are you, and how to answer correctly. Many English speakers make a common mistake with this, using the verb to be. But in Italian, we use a completely different verb, avere, which means to have. So instead of saying I am 25 years old, Italians say I have 25 years. Let's dive in and learn how to do it like a native speaker. First, let's review the verb avere, which means to have. We need it to express age. Io ho, tu hai, lui ha, lei ha, noi abbiamo, voi avete, loro hanno. The H in o, I, a, and anno is silent. This verb is one of the most common in Italian, so mastering it is very important. In Italian, to say your age, use avere plus the number plus anni, literally to have years. For example, io ho 20 anni. I am 20 years old. Tu hai 10 anni. You are 10 years old. Lui ha 30 anni. He is 30 years old. Lei ha 40 anni. She is 40 years old. Noi abbiamo 16 anni. We are 16 years old. Notice that when the number ends with a vowel and is followed by anni, Italians often drop the final vowel for smooth pronunciation. 20 anni, vent'anni. The question, how old are you, in Italian is quanti anni hai? Literally, how many years do you have? Ho 15 anni. I am 15 years old. Ho 25 anni. I'm 25 years old. Ho 70 anni. I'm 70 years old. Quanti anni ha Marco? How old is Marco? Marco ha 12 anni. Marco is 12 years old. So remember, never say sono 25 anni, that's incorrect. Always say ho 25 anni. Let's practice with family members, a common topic in Italian conversation. Mia madre ha 50 anni. My mother is 50 years old. Mio padre ha 48 anni. My father is 48 years old. Mio fratello ha 10 anni. My brother is 10 years old. Mia sorella ha 13 anni. My sister is 13 years old. Quanti anni ha tuo fratello? How old is your brother? Quanti anni ha tua nonna? How old is your grandmother? Italians love talking about family, so these sentences are very useful. Age and birthdays go hand in hand. To ask when someone's birthday is, say, quando è il tuo compleanno? When is your birthday? Answer, il mio compleanno è il 3 maggio. My birthday is on May 3rd. To wish someone a happy birthday, say, buon compleanno, happy birthday. Quanti anni hai? Ho 22 anni. Quando è il tuo compleanno? È il 10 ottobre. Here's a fun cultural note. Italians are usually comfortable talking about age, but sometimes with adults, especially women, it's considered more polite to avoid asking directly. Instead, you can say something friendly like, sei giovane, you're young, or non dimostri la tua età, you don't look your age. Italians also celebrate milestone birthdays with big family dinners, like I 18 anni, turning 18, or I 50 anni, turning 50. Let's quickly review what we learned today. The verb avere, to have, how to say quanti anni hai, and answer with o anni, talking about other people's ages, asking and saying birthdays, avoiding the essere mistake. Practice these phrases daily and you'll soon sound completely natural in conversation. Grazie per aver guardato questa lezione. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your age in Italian below, just for fun. Alla prossima lezione. See you next time.